A loose toilet flange can lead to leaks, wobbling, and persistent sewer odor that damage floors and make bathrooms unsafe. When a flange is not secured properly, the wax ring or seal can fail because the toilet shifts with use, so tighten mounting screws evenly and seat the flange flush with the finished floor surface. If the flange sits below the finished floor, raise it with a flange spacer or use a thicker seal to avoid compression failure. Ensure the spacer is covered by the flange and secured. Inspect the flange material for cracks or corrosion and replace deteriorated cast iron or plastic with a new flange matched to the drain pipe size to prevent slow leaks. Use stainless steel bolts and washers that resist corrosion and place a thin bead of plumber-approved sealant between flange and floor for added moisture protection without blocking bolt holes. After setting the toilet, tighten bolts gradually and alternate sides to keep the bowl level and avoid over-tightening, which can crack porcelain. Finally, test by applying pressure to the bowl edges and checking for any movement, and run a dye test in the tank to reveal slow leaks around the base. Common mistakes include underestimating the flange height, which causes seal compression and leaks, so measure and add a spacer or select the appropriate seal thickness to achieve a snug fit. Over-tightening the bowl bolts is another frequent error that can fracture the toilet. Tighten bolts just until snug, then a little more, while checking for rock and stop if porcelain shows stress. Ignoring flange damage or rust leads to recurring failures, so cut out and replace compromised flanges and secure the new flange directly to clean, solid substrate for a lasting repair. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors for bathroom repairs and other home needs, and we also help contractors find new work opportunities. Our site includes a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, ask questions, and share first-hand experiences related to flange repair and broader home improvement projects.